So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the question very carefully. There are two values of x. There are two values. Here we have x, here we have x. There are two values of x which make the determinant. Okay, this is the determinant is equal to 86. So find the sum of these numbers. Find the sum. So we have to find the value of these two values of x. It has been clearly mentioned that there are two values of x which make the determinant this one is equal to 86. So find the sum of these two values of x. Find the sum of these numbers. So I am starting the solution. Watch it carefully. Watch, we'll expand the determinant through the first row. Okay, clear? So now we will find the minors of this first element. Minors of row 1 column 1. Minors of row 1 column 1 will be this x4 minus 1 2x, x4 minus 1 2x. Okay, so it will be x into 2x minus 1 into 4. Okay, x into 2x minus 1 into 4. So it will be 2x square plus 4. Clear? Achha, now row 1 column 2. Minors of row 1 column 2. Row 1 column 2. So this is the element row 1 column 2. So it will be 2 0 minus 1 2x. 2 0 minus 1 2x. So it will be 2 into 2x minus 1 into 0. So it will be 4x only. Okay, now we will find minors of row 1 column 3. This is row 1 element of row 1 column 3. So 2 0 x4, 2 0 x4. So 2 into 4 minus x into 0. So it is simply 8. Okay, so now we will find the cofactors of row 1 column 1. Cofactors of row 1 column 1 will be minus 1. Here we have 2 1s, so 1 plus 1 into minors of 1 1. So it will be minus 1 square. And what is the minor of row 1 column 1 is, that is 2x square plus 4. So minus 1 square will be plus 1, 2x square plus 4. So it will simply be 2x square plus 4. Okay, simply 2x square plus 4. So now we will find the cofactor of row 1 column 2. So it would be minus 1 1 2, that is 1 plus 2 into minor of row 1 column 2. So it will be minus 1 cube, and minor of row 1 column 2 is 4x into 4x. So minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 into 4x, that is minus 4x. Now we will find the cofactor of row 1 column 3. So it will be minus 1 1 3 1 plus 3 into minor of row 1 column 3, that is minus 1 to the power 4. And what is the minor? That is 8. So minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1 into 8, that is 8. Okay, so now what will you do? Expanding the given determinant by first row. I told you earlier that we will expand the determinant through the first row, by first row. So it would be, what is the first element of the first row? 1. 1 into cofactor of row 1 column 1 was 2x square plus 4. So it will be 2x square plus 4. Okay, 1 into this cofactor. Okay, second minus 2. So plus minus 2 into cofactor of row 1 column 2 will be minus 4x plus row 1 column 3, that is 5 into cofactor is 8. So it would be 2x square plus 4 minus minus plus 8x plus 40. It will be 2x square plus 8x plus 40 plus 4, that is 44, right? So it would be 2, I can take common, x square plus 4x plus 22. Okay, so by the problem this determinant is 86. By the problem 2 into x square plus 4x plus 22 is, value of the determinant is 86. So this value will be equal to 86. So now 2 43, so it will be x square plus 4x plus 22 is equal to 43. Okay, so it would be x square plus 4x plus 22 minus 43 is equal to 0. So it would be x square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0, right? Name it as equation 1. Now there are two values of x, it has been mentioned. So let alpha and beta be the roots of equation 1. So then alpha plus beta will be minus b by a, that is minus 4 by 1, which is minus 4. So therefore sum of two values of x is equal to minus 4, as alpha plus beta is minus 4. So this is the answer. Clear? Thank you for watching the solution.